According to the 20th Livestock Census, India has 535 million livestock animals. Most of these animals, including cattle and water buffaloes, eat straw or green fodder. But what happens if there's a fodder crisis? Is the diminished wheat crop having domino effects? Farmers across North India are planting mustard instead of wheat this rabi season. This is not just because mustard requires less water compared to wheat, but because an unusually hot beginning to the summer season has led to a reduction in the wheat crop yield, which in turn has led to a shortage of fodder in many states. States like Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand have imposed a ban on sending straw to other states. Last year, wheat straw was being sold at 400 to 600 rupees per quintal. This year, it is being sold at 1100 to 1700 rupees per quintal, 3 times the price. In Rajasthan, it has risen to 2000 rupees per quintal already. The rise in prices is a combined consequence of an unrelenting summer, water shortage, as well as better prices for other crops like mustard and gram, which is discouraging farmers from growing wheat. Sorghum could not be cultivated last year either because of water shortage. Officials from the Department of Animal Husbandry, on the other hand, blame mechanization, declining land holdings, and encroaching of grazing areas for the shortage. According to experts, a buffalo producing 10 liters of milk needs 30 kg of fodder a day, including 4 kg grain, 10 to 15 kg green fodder, and 4 to 6 kg of straw, which can increase in the absence of green fodder. But if the cost of fodder is about 1/3 of the milk which farmers are selling, how will they make any profit or even earn a livable wage? Putan Singh, a scientist at Indian Veterinary Research Institute in Palampur, offers 2 solutions. One is that the government bans commercial use of straw in brick kilns and paper industries. The second is that farmers grow green fodder, which can give 4 to 6 harvests in a year. As heat waves are likely to become more common in the coming years because of the climate crisis, farmers will have to adapt and find more mitigatory solutions. But currently, both the farmer and consumer are buckled under inflating prices.